Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are the new neighborhood of this new world. And according to a study, internet users spend about 7 hours every day on internet. Jai Hind everyone. Today my lecture topic is social media. Friends, social media is a computer-based technology that facilitate the sharing of knowledge, ideas, thoughts on virtual sites, networks, and communities such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube, and etc. In India, there are almost 0.61 billion internet users in 2022, and recently social media has increased among Indians, and it provide much opportunities as well as challenges for everyone. Friends, if we talk about the benefits of the social media, then first is distance. Like social media have closened the distance to everyone. Today, friends, families can talk on social media by voice call as well as video call. Second, the education. Today, we can take education from YouTube free, and we can clear any exam which is most difficult. No matter, we can learn from YouTube free. We do not have to go offline for that. Third is business. We can do advertisement on the social media, and we can also add more people, and we can expand our business worldwide. Fourth, we have directly interaction with the government officials on social media, and we can raise our concern to them. Friends, if we talk about the challenges for the social media, then first and most biggest challenge is the fake news. Today we have seen many communal violence have happened recently on the fake news, rumors, as well as hate speech. Most recently happened on the Prophet Muhammad by BJP spokesperson, as well as the 2020 Delhi riots are the example of the hate speech and fake news on the social media. Second is women's safety. We have seen the pictures and videos are forcibly leaked, and then they are forcibly do something wrong from that girl, and it harms their dignity, and it is very dangerous for them. Friends, if I talk about the way forward, then AI technology can work effectively to recognize the threats and the spams on social media. Second, government need to also make some strict laws and regulation for the social media users and content creator. Friends, in my conclusion today, we cannot neglect the social media. It is we are highly dependent on social media, and uh, from the government side, they need to create some good laws and strict laws for the followers as well as creators. More effect use of social media can harm in many ways, like mental health, depression, career, as well as studies. So b need to use effectively and limited, and b need to use it with full of awareness. Thank you.